Hello everyone, I'm so excited for this video. I just actually finished a midterm exam for social media and analytics. I still have an assignment to do, but I don't know why I feel so pumped to do these videos. And I was also thinking of including more content on this channel. And the two topics I wanted to include first was Spanish, because I'm starting with Spanish, and the second one was social media. And might be on the long run I might do some computer coding, but I really wanted to do or to start with these two because it's something I understand. If anyone has any question, I can help with that. um, but yeah, and I think it can help me keep track in my progress as well, because I want to be uploading regularly. And by the way, this song is Immigrant Overflow, and I'm going to put a link down below for that as well. I don't want my video to be cancelled just because of a nice music that I'm listening to. Anyway, long story short, how to land your co-op without experience. A couple of weeks ago, I attended Web Unleash, which is a super duper big event that professional and students, people from all over Canada and all over the world are interested in. And during that session, normally it's done somewhere, but because of COVID, it was done online. And you have people from Kijiji, from RBC, and all these big companies, Squarespace, that would come and talk about what they're looking for in the workforce, the new technology, what are the tips and tricks happening. For example, there was like how CSS was changing, and that was so cool because I love CSS. And you get the opportunity to actually ask questions. And one question that I asked was, when you don't have experience, how can you get hired, especially when the first step is actually your resume, and if you don't have experience, it gets discarded. And I have a very good answer for you, and I think this can help you for those looking for jobs or for co-op. I've done my co-op, so I'm good, but for people out there who are doing their co-op, so the first one is actually the cover letter. You need to tailor your cover letter really well, depending on the company. So obviously, for what I've understood, is really onto like, what do you know? Even though someone would ask for React and you would have Angular, it's okay. At the end of the day, it's backend coding. Even though you don't know how to use React, at least show that, okay, I don't know this, but I know that, and this can help. They just want to know that you have the knowledge and you can do the work. When it comes to Kijiji, they are really onto creativity. For Squarespace, same. They're really into creativity, really onto the employee. However, I do love RBC as well because they seem to really push forward for innovation, and this is the kind of company I would like to work with. So the first thing is like tailor your cover letter really well. I know it's very easy to go and find a template and use that, but if you tailor that according to the job posting, this can help you. And the second thing is that even though you don't have experience, you have projects that you can build. There's one I know on Skillshare because I really struggle with JavaScript, so I tried to get one on Skillshare, and there are like projects in it. Another good one is West Boss, and don't worry, I'm going to put all these links in the description box below, as well as the song, and you can go there. There's a really cool one. Again, it's for JavaScript, but you can find for any other programs. It's 30 days. It's free. 30 days of JavaScript, so it takes you from beginners to like more complicated algorithm and stuff like that. So 2 tips: tailor your cover letter, and if you don't have experience, at least you have a portfolio to show like, hey, I know how to do the work. So this was a very short video, but I was really pumped up and I really wanted to do it. And let me know if you'd like to have more content about that, and if you'd like to know more about a little bit of Spanish and social media. In the long run, I might include coding as well, but for now, maybe I'll start with these two and start maybe uploading a little bit more often. I'm still going to give the tips and tricks in regards to college, so the next video that's going to come up would be the monthly expenses for grocery. I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how I save money, how I got some free stuff, and how you can have some during the pandemic as well. I was very lucky to get some grocery for free with my roommate, but I'm going to explain all of that in another video, in the next video actually. For now, bye! Take care.